Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Nelly Rahmawati, Department of Communication student from Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. On this occasion, I'm presenting a research paper titled Digital Media Management of Instagram Account at Dieng Bersih in the Waste Management Campaign 2024-2025. This research was by me and Mr. Filosagita Sukmono as the second author. First, the introduction. Environmental issues are becoming increasingly complex global challenge, including in Indonesia. One of the issues that remains in the spotlight in the accumulation of waste resulting from human behavior, which has a significant impact on the degradation of the Dieng ecosystem. Producing approximately 2,004 tons of waste per week, tourist activity and a lack of environmental awareness are contributing factors. This problem can be addressed through various approaches. This needs to be done to raise awareness among the community and tourists, one of which is through social media campaign. Social media, particularly Instagram, is a highly effective campaign tool. Previous studies have primarily discussed the effectiveness of campaigns, but have not examined how local community strategically manage media. Therefore, the study examines the digital management of Dieng Bersih using POAC, agenda setting, and two environmental function. The study aims to analyze the application of four functions of media management, which is planning, organizing, actuating, and controlling, and their relationship with agenda setting, as well as the two functions of environmental communication. The method used in the study is descriptive qualitative approach. Data were obtained through in-depth interview with three informants, namely the community leader, social media manager, and project manager. Observation of Dieng Bersih Instagram content during the research period and documentation. Data analysis employ the Mills and Haberman model, which involved data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusion. The results show that Dieng Bersih management activity are carried out collaboratively and based on field activity. The content themes are aligned with the community agenda, including cleanup, action, school education, and etc. The visual content feature element of nature education about waste and documentation of field activity. Regular posts and at certain moment increase the visibility of the campaign. Public interaction increase on field activity based content. Collaboration with local accounts and other community expand the reach of the message. Evaluation through KPI or key performance indicator increase in engagement. Participation of residents and new volunteers increase during the campaign. Okay, next is discussion. First, planning. In planning, the campaign theme is determined based on the field agenda and environmental momentum. The Dieng Bersih community choose Instagram its primary medium, demonstrating that it understands the characteristic of its audience. Visual identity, such nature, was sorting education and documentation of real activity that highlight cleanliness are from the constitutive function. Next, organizing a simple but effective work structure. The community leader act, act as the message director and admin is responsible for content production and publication, while other members support the documentation of activity in the field. In addition, they also actively collaborate with local media accounts and other environmentally conscious community. This collaboration serves as a means to expand the reach of the campaign message and strengthen public awareness of waste management issue in the Dieng tourist area. In Actuating, the campaign was carried out through the production of educational video, reels, infographic, and field documentation that will consistently display success in bringing of the issue of waste the public attention. The content shaped public awareness and action in line with the pragmatic function of environmental communication, namely as a driver of real action. Next and last evaluation was conducted through key performance indicator, including like, share, comment, and view, and the Instagram Insight feature. Field finding revealed and increased the number of new volunteer and cross-community collaboration following the campaign. This indicates that the message received by the public did not stop at preservation. This reflects the policy agenda that issues are not only recognized but also responded by the public. Conclusion this research is the integration of media management, agenda setting, and environmental communication function keep the campaign in Dieng Bersih effective even without a formal structure. The consistency of message linked to field activity is a key factor in the emergence of volunteer and collaboration between community. Overall, community-based digital campaign have proven to be strategic and impactful in environmental issue. Further research could expand the scope or access the long-term impact of audience behavior change. Okay, that concludes my presentation. I apologize. I apologize for any error and in the delivery of this presentation. Thanks for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.